Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube black screen issues. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more YouTube tutorials. So the first option is to delete your browser cache and cookies. So let's click on the Windows here and we'll over to settings, and here the server cache, and here just click on here the browser data and choose, for example, your cookies. Download those if you want the browsing history, but guys, what important is cookies and cache. And you can also check the permissions that cover from data Media Foundation. Click on clear now, and this is the first fix, guys. So now the second fix is to add to check your extensions here. Click on manage extensions and delete all the unnecessary extensions that you don't use. For example, these any extension that you don't use, just disable it, and this will help YouTube to fix your black screen issue. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe.